Good morning, Beverly-Hanks family. Happy Friday to you. Welcome to today's segment of Coffee with Neal. First of all, I just want to give a big shout out to Stephanie Shipman and everybody who worked so hard on the company-wide picnic just over a week ago. What a great time we had at Taylor Ranch. The weather was perfect. It was great to see all of you and your families. I just had a super time. I hope you did as well. Stan Henry did a great job of collecting memories from the event. We've got a link here in the video that you can use to download photos, take a look, print, share, do whatever you like. It was a great time, and I hope you guys will look back upon that fondly. The next thing I want to talk about this morning is the big fall open house event we got coming up just right around the corner, actually. October 15th and 16th. You're going to want to make sure and take advantage of this event. It's enterprise-wide, and it's a great opportunity for you to promote your current listings, encourage potential sellers to list now, and also obviously to meet new buyer clients. There's an important deadline coming up related to postcards. It's actually today. So if you're going to order postcards for this event, you need to get that done today. There is a link to a form in this email that you can use to do just that. All of your other standard preparations for an open house, you still got times to do. MLS, one place, etc. Go through your normal procedures to schedule an open house, but you need to get those postcards ordered today. It's been a long time since we've done a big enterprise-wide open house weekend. I'm really excited to get back on that track. We plan to do this in both the spring and the fall. And if you want to promote this event in your listings, make sure and check out our Facebook and Instagram social media graphics in the Beverly-Hanks library. They're also linked to this email. Next item, I want to give a big shout out. Obviously, we're in October now, so the App Timber contest to share the Beverly-Hanks mobile app is over. Big congratulations to Brian Nolan, who earned the top spot for individual realtor shares and is the winner of the Panthers football giveaway for activating the Beverly-Hanks mortgage app with their clients. Also, big shout out to the Hendersonville office. They earned the top spot as a group. Everyone who participated in the contest is a winner. So thank you to the more than 85 Beverly-Hanks agents who shared this important client resource and business development tool for Beverly-Hanks Mortgage. Speaking of contests, we've got another one we'd like to introduce for our October, and that is our October Referral Challenge. Today, more than ever, it's imperative future homeowners and real estate investors understand more than just their loan rate. They deserve the consultation of a professional. That's why we're asking you refer your clients to our in-house mortgage lenders. Referring agents will go into a drawing and win the grand prize, a 2-night stay at the Old Edwards Inn and Spa in Highlands. It's a fabulous place. If you've not been there, I promise you will enjoy it. For every referral to our in-house mortgage lenders, your name will be entered into a drawing. And with each referral, the more you refer, the more likely you are to win. So make sure and refer your customers and clients to our Beverly-Hanks loan officers. The last item on my list today, I want to talk to you about Hanna Health and Wealth. I'm tremendously excited that we're going to finally get the opportunity to bring this program to you. We know that as independent contractors, you face limitations when developing comprehensive health and financial benefit plans. And as promised when we made our announcement in August, we're excited to bring you the Hanna Health and Wealth program to address these issues and provide a complete suite of services and benefits. You know, our partnership with Allen Tate and Howard Hanna has given us the scale and buying power to make these important benefits available to you and hopefully to bring your families peace of mind. You know, I honestly believe that we continue to be stronger together. So please join us for one of these live information sessions coming in November about Hanna Health and Wealth. The first one is Thursday, November the 3rd in the morning, 10 to 11:30 a.m. and there's a second one that afternoon from 1:30 to 3 at the Hilton in Biltmore Park. We'll be in the big Pisgah ballroom, and make sure and register because space is limited. If you cannot attend, please let us know on the registration form and we'll have an advisor reach out to you directly. Well, that was a lot to cover today, gang. Thanks for joining me for this special Friday segment of Coffee with Neal. Hope you have a great weekend. Get out and enjoy this beautiful fall weather. Have a great weekend. I'll see you next time.